Hi, is this the tour for Palembang?
Yes, welcome. My name is Sally and your guide today. Are you excited to explore?
Absolutely. I have heard a lot about the food here, especially pempek.
You are for the treat. We'll have chance to try it later. First, we start at the iconic Ampera Bride.
I've seen picture. Is it as beautiful in person?
Eventually, the view of the Musi River for the bride is breathtaking, especially during the sunset.
It sounds amazing. What other place will we visit?
We also visit the Sultan Mahmud Badaruddin II Museum to learn about Palembang history and culture.
Great. I love learning about local history.
Perfect. After that, we can explore some local market for cart and the souvenir.
I cannot wait. What should I wear? I heard it's quite humid here.
Yes, it can be hot. The humid, so wear lighting clothing and the forget your sunscreen.
Thanks for the advice, Sally. I'm looking forward to this tour.
You're welcome. Let's make this some great memories today.